Okay, today we're going to talk about Elastic Beanstalk with X-Ray analysis. So, X-Ray is AWS's service primarily for tracing data. What we can do with Elastic Beanstalk is obviously deploy an application onto EC2. And in addition, we can have a nice little checkbox, enable X-Ray. And what that does is that also enables the X-Ray daemon, which is pre-installed on the machine image, which you will be using anyway when you're using Beanstalk. So it starts the daemon, which then essentially buffers tracing data from your application and sends it on to the X-Ray service. You obviously need the instance profile to have a role which has appropriate permissions to be able to send to the X-Ray service. But again, in the main, Beanstalk is going to do most of this for you anyway. All quite simple. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.